Ito na guys, ang pagkain natin tonight, itong sweet potato, carlang, and sweet potato leaves salad. Yan ang, oh my, this is our dinner guys. Sweet potato salad and sweet potato, boiled sweet potato, and we call it carlang and taro root. They call it taro root here in the US. So let's eat mga guys. Yan, super sarap tingnan yan. Yan ang ulam natin tonight. Yan, so